For many long years, the Stash has trained his Dextera allies to battle against the strongest fighters in the TWF Thumb Wrestling Federation. He has a son named James Montgomery Flagg. And if I have a Thumb Wrestling Federation TWF series revival, which is a documentary that is an inspiration for the Thumb Wrestling Federation, Spilt Milk Productions, I would once again re-invite the Stash into the arena. The same thing would go for Steve, Chico Rojo, Laughing Looney, the first fighter he went up against in the first match. You remember when I drew him? I mean, you remember when I first showed him, right? That would be the first battle for the Stash to go up against. Anyways, here he is.